Hello and welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, hi, what's up? I'm Gemma and I talk a lot about user experience and user interface design. If that's something you're interested in, then why not hit that subscribe button. So recently I did a video where I designed a website in Webflow. You can check that video out. There'll be a link in the description or in one of the cards up above if you haven't seen that video already. I thought it'd be a good idea to maybe test out some other systems. So today we're going to take a look at Wix. Now, I've never used Wix before. I may as well just have a go and see what it's all about. I'm pretty sure Wix is template based. I don't think you can design a website from scratch. If you can, somebody correct me in the comments, but as far as I'm aware, it's all template based. I'm going to jump into Wix now and show you what I have on my screen. So I think I click here, I'm guessing so. Oh, okay, it opens up in a new browser, weirdly. And it looks like that I can just pick whichever business style that I fall into. Okay. I mean, I don't really want to create another design website because I've done it before. My website, if you haven't seen it already, there's a link in the description, so check that out. So I think I may just go... Let's have a look at portfolios and CVs, is it? Because I get a lot of questions about portfolios, so let's see what they have to offer here. Okay, so I can either do a questionnaire by the looks of this, or I can just pick a website from the editor. I think I'm just going to choose a site, see what they got. Okay, so I'm presented now with a big list, I'm assuming a big list full of resume sites. Let's have a look at Ashley. I mean, I kind of do like this site. This bothers me though. Oh my god, that's super annoying. So as I scroll down, my navigation is now hidden. That is not great. That's really bad. Wix, sort that out. Or is it just because I'm in an editor and yeah, I'm not happy with that. I don't know if I can change that, which would really annoy me if I couldn't. So, do you know what? I might just pick this one just because I want to see if I can change that navigation, because that is frustrating. Let's try this, is it? Let's I guess edit this site. Oh my god, another tab. So Wix, right now I have 4 tabs open. And it takes a while to load up. Okay. So I'm guessing this is my dashboard that I get to change a lot of stuff. Let's just have a look. Okay, so that's some sort of grid system. Actually, I'm gonna want to change this. I don't know. See if it looks good when you call it Gemma. And what am I? Vlogging about beauty, fashion, life hacks, and life. No, I'm not. I'm all about passionate about UX and UI. We can change that later. It just looks, a bit better. I don't look as nice as this girl, so, nice little story. Ashley on Insta. You able to change this? Oh, I can connect my Instagram. Well, let's be honest, that was very easy to do. I mean, yes, Wix, I'm on board for that. Like, that was super easy. Wow. That cool integration, I'm all in for it. That was really cool. But I think what I don't like is this header. I want to change my design settings. Oh, design, okay. Okay, so we do want a color. Please tell me that this has fixed that issue. Customize design. Okay. Out of curiosity. That's weird, isn't it? Okay, I'm just going to change it to a weird color in a minute because I need to know if this is going to fix my issue. Oh my god, like what the hell? Oh, it did fix my issue. Okay. I think that's fixed it. Preview it. Yes. Okay. So right off the bat, I think this is a quite easy software to use. So now I'm just going to play about with this and you guys can just watch me do the process and see what I come up with. Okay, we're back. So I had a little play with Wix and so far it's alright. It's not a bad site if you are just starting off in web design. I mean, they're pretty good templates and they're pretty easy to use, but what I have noticed so far that is not so easy to change images. And why I say this is because it's hard to gauge the size of an image. I thought it'd be easy just to upload an image and then scale it within the system. I was wrong. So it took me a while to try and figure out like how I'm able to do this, and this started to bother me that I can't just change this part. So normal users won't do this, but because I have a design background and I work with developers day in day out, I know how to inspect the site to gauge a size of an image. So if I inspect this, it gives me the sizes that I'm going to need. So 710 times 678 will be the perfect size in order for me to add in an image that will fit this space, which, you know, isn't great for people who don't know what they're doing. And that's what I had to figure out with this part. Even though this bit isn't looking great, in order for me to get an image to fit here, I had to inspect it to get how big this image was. But other than that, I have been able to change a couple of things, which has been fine. I haven't really tried changing layouts of anything yet. This is still pretty cool though, how it pulls in all my actual Instagram stuff, which is really cool. But yeah, so if I jump back into the editor and change a few things. I mean, because I changed my button here, I would expect the button here to change, but it didn't. So now I'm going to have to edit the button here, I'm guessing. Design. Oh, okay. So I have to manually change my buttons around, no matter where I am. See if I can make this into a more presentable format, and then we'll do a final check-in at the end. So I feel like we're in a good enough place now just to show you what I've come up with. But just bear in mind, I've just edited a template, I haven't really built this, haven't designed this, haven't really did anything other than change a couple of images and change the text. I'll scroll, you can see that I've managed to get my YouTube videos in, which was pretty easy to install, I gotta be honest. Some information, just something I've pulled off my own website. And then the Instagram plugin, which I think is pretty much my favorite plugin that I've ever seen for a type of template site like this. Really easy to set up. I just connected my account and boom, it's on my site. And the footer, which I didn't really change. I also edited the mobile version for it, just had a little play about with this. So yeah, I'll just roll off a couple of pros and some cons, I suppose. My main pro is easy. It was very easy to set up, and it was very easy just to pick a template and just roll with it and just change a couple of elements. So if you're new to web design and you just want a nice little site, I would recommend this. It's pretty easy just to get going. My cons would be image sizing. Now, I struggled quite a bit with just images in general, and I think people who don't have knowledge in the size of images and things like that, they may find this a little bit difficult to find an image that will work for them. All in all, it's a pretty good site, and I highly recommend if you want to use this site, then definitely use it. I mean, you can even publish this site and it gives you a domain name. It's published, so yeah, I can pretty much view my site live. To be honest, I mean, why not? If it's something that you just want to play about with, or you just really need a really quick website just to set up and go, yes, 100% recommend Wix. It's great. That's the end of this video, I suppose. So if you like this type of content, why not like and subscribe and get notified every time I upload a new video. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, you can do so here. Until next time, bye.